Smile and learn!
Welcome to the wonderful world of words. Writers use many different literary devices to make their stories more interesting. Today we will learn about 3 of them: personification, alliteration, and repetition. It's easy, don't worry. Let's discover what they are and how they make our stories even more exciting. Personification. Let's start with personification. Personification is a literary device that gives human qualities to non-human things. That is, personification gives animals or objects human traits, characteristics, or actions. For example, the sun is smiling down on us. As you know, the sun can't smile. So why do we say this? If you think about it, it sounds much nicer, don't you think? It gives us a warmer feeling than if we simply say, "The sun is shining in the sky." Or imagine if we say, "The trees are dancing in the wind." We know that trees can't dance, but sometimes a strong wind can make it look like they are. Alliteration. Do you like to play with sounds? Well, you'll love this literary device. An alliteration is the repetition of the same sound in a phrase or sentence. For example, we heard the sound of the snakes slithering by. Do you hear how the s sound repeats many times? It gives a special quality to the sentence. In fact, it helps us really imagine the snakes. Another example is, Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. Can you hear how the p sound is repeated over and over again? It even helps remind us of the sound of someone picking a pepper off a plant. Repetition. Finally, we have repetition. Sometimes repeating a word or phrase is the key to making it more exciting or important. So, this literary device consists of using a word or phrase several times to create emphasis or impact. For example, if we say, "Run, run, run as fast as you can," it helps us to feel the action more intensely. Or if we say, "Go to sleep, go to sleep, go to sleep, little baby." See how the speaker's wish for the baby to go to sleep stands out? It creates an impact, doesn't it? Now it's your turn. Think of something you want to express and try to describe it using personification, alliteration, or repetition. You'll be making magical literary images in no time.
We've learned so much in just one video. Did you know there are many more videos? Imagine how much you could learn. Subscribe to the Smile and Learn educational channel to learn and have fun at the same time.